Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Come on viewers, challenge your brain. Find 10 within 15 seconds. Wow, that's one! Hey viewers, pick the odd letter OX within given time. Come on viewers, time is over. Find the odd donut burger within 15 seconds. Amazing! Come on genius, identify the odd one G3 within 15 seconds. Excellent work and good job! Hey, ladies and gentlemen, check your IQ level, find M6 within time. Wow, my cute viewers is very genius. Anybody can find 1-8 within time. Time is up. Hey viewers, next medium level start. Nobody can find 001 within 15 seconds. You are focus master. Come on viewers, pick the odd letter RED within time. Hey, come fast, time is up. Spot the odd one chicken within 15 seconds. That's one. Hey my respectable viewers, test your observation skills, find the odd number within time. Come fast, time is over. Test your visual skills, find the odd letter within 15 seconds. Wow, your sharp eyes! Hey viewers, test your mind. Find the odd one within 15 seconds. Wow, your mind is very genius! Come on viewers, next hard level start! Hey viewers, are you genius? Find the odd number within given time. Yes, you are very genius! Only legend can find the odd letter within time. Hey viewers, you are legend. Come on, you found it. Time is up. Hi genius, find the odd tomato within 15 seconds. Wow, you are eagle eyes. Test your eagle eyes, find the odd number within time. Come on genius, this is a very hard question. Time is up. Check your brain, find the odd letter within 15 seconds. Wow, that's one! Come on viewers, my last question. Come on, pick the odd one out within 15 seconds. Wow, so fast eyes! Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.